Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphone Sony on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search and you should install this application. Check, select your region, then click Done. If you select a new one, Start, Agree, no, and ask app not to track, but you can allow it also, I just don't want it. Allow, and allow. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!